Hello YouTubers, my name is Reality and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Eclipse IDE. We're also going to do a Hello World program in this, so you actually end up compiling your code and seeing Hello World in the console. Let's begin. Okay, first thing we're going to want to do is type in download Eclipse in the hotbar. Once we're there, we can click on Eclipse Downloads, the first one. And as you can see, we have the Get Eclipse IDE 2022. And when we click on that, we should see a download button, which we can also click on. From there, I'm just gonna locate a place in my hard drive to put this software. You can put it wherever you would like. Once done that, the download will begin. Once the download is done, we should see a window appear here shortly. And there we go. The Eclipse installer will start. Once in here, we're going to have a few options. Most importantly, we're going to hit the Eclipse IDE for Java developers, but if you want to develop anything else, there are a few other options. Here we can choose our Java version. Now if you don't see your Java version, we can install Java by going to Java and then Java Oracle, and we go to download Java for Windows. Here we should find the Java download button. We click on that and it will start downloading. You'll probably get some Windows notification giving approval first, and then we should get this window which will say install. I've already got mine installed, so I'm just going to exit out of this. Now that we're back here, we can choose the installation folder. Once again, I'm going to choose a different location just because my C drive is quite full. I'm also just going to untick one of the options and hit install, and we're just going to have to accept this and then start installing. Once it's installed, we can hit launch and it will launch Eclipse. Once it's done launching, we're going to have to choose a workspace. Once again, I'm just going to find a different location on my computer. Okay, once you selected that, we can hit launch. And it's just going to open up Eclipse on its basic welcome page. There's going to be a few options here to help us get started. The one we're going to choose here is create new project. You could also choose to create Hello World application, but we're going to make ours. So when we hit create new Java project, we're going to type in our project name. For this, I'm just going to call it tutorial series. Gives us a few options there, but everything should be good by default. And we'll hit create. So once we enter, we should have some very basic code in the module. We're actually going to get rid of that in a second, but right now we're going to create a class. And I just call this main by default, and we're going to check the public static void main method, and that will allow us to have some pre-built code in our class file. As you can see, we get this error though, so we are going to want to delete that module file. Once we delete that, we'll get rid of the error code, and from here we can now start to actually program our Hello World. So the reason why we do this is just to check to see that the IDE is working, everything is compiling fine. So we're just going to do a system.out.println, and then we're going to do bracket, quotations, hello world, quotations, bracket, and then semicolon to end the sentence. And then we can go up to top left and we can hit the run button. And then we're just going to hit OK there, and as you can see, we get hello world in the console. Okay, well that is it for this video. If this helped in any way, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please comment them below. And if you want to see more of the tutorial series, subscribe. Till next time, virality out.